Today, I'm going to talk to you about pants, specifically my pants. You see, this winter, so far, I've made a big upgrade to the pants situation with these right here, the Evolution pants from Western Rise. Now, I have talked about these pants from Western Rise a couple of times in the past, but the gift-giving season is here, along with winter weather, at least where I live anyway. It's kind of going through this hot-cold thing right now, which is a little bit annoying, but I assume the cold weather is coming pretty quickly. And therefore, I thought today was the perfect opportunity to dedicate some time to this subject and these pants right here. Now, Western Rise, who makes these pants we're talking about today, have a lot of great stuff on their site. I highly encourage you to give it a look because they really got some pretty good stuff there. But we are talking today about specifically their Evolution pants, which are basically designed to take the place of 3 different types of pants, all combined to serve many different avenues of life. The brand itself describes these pants as perfect for travel, outdoors, and every day. And just everyday life. In fact, they say these are the only pants you need, as they replace the need for outdoor pants, traveling pants, and office pants. They're also lightweight, made with a comfortable 4-way stretch, stain resistant, and they have an extendable 32 to 34 inch inseam. Now, to further our understanding of these pants, we have to now take a look at the fabric that actually makes it, and Western Rise calls it their Evolution fabric, which is custom engineered by Western Rise for versatility. You can see here on their site all the awesome things that make it up and give it its distinct feel and truly keep it ready for anything. Here too is my specific pair, and I love wearing these. I gotta tell you, I love wearing them. They're so comfortable. I can wear them working in the yard, playing with my kids, taking a road trip, or just lounging on a lazy Sunday afternoon. And the stretch too. I mean, the stretch is spot on because, you know, Lord knows I need me a little bit of stretch. And I'll tell you too, the stain resistance part doesn't hurt one bit because I've got a double dose of it with small kids and being extremely accident prone. So it really does come in handy. Lastly, to the pockets. This is one of the things that really drew me in at first when I first learned about these. You have a dedicated phone pocket here. Super nice, very nice. On top of that, you have a zipper compartment inside the back pocket to keep your wallet and things more secure. So you've got kind of like this pocket on top of a pocket thing. So I'm a big fan of that. I'm a big fan of pockets on pockets. And if all that wasn't enough, you can actually get these pants right here. These ones right here for 30% off. Western Rise is currently having a holiday sale that makes these a really good deal in my opinion and a huge gift contender for this year's gift picks. In the end here though, these have become a staple of my wardrobe. They feel great, they look even better in my opinion, and they're just able to keep up with all the stuff I got going on day to day. I've got actually multiple pairs now that I own and I wear for everything from, you know, going out to dinner to working outside, traveling, like I mentioned. They also go with everything. So it's always an easy decision to implement these into the wardrobe. So I hope this really helps you out with a gift idea for someone this year, or even yourself. You know, maybe you want to get yourself something this year, upgrade your own pant game. So check these out. Check out Western Rise if you're interested, and make sure you do it really quick because they have a really good sale going on. I think it's 30% off site-wide. So you don't want to miss that. Head on over there and check these out. That's it though for today. Thanks so much for checking this out with me. Make sure if you haven't yet done so to hit that subscribe button for me. I really appreciate that in advance. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.